What's up, y'all? JustZay here, back again with another pickup. And today's unboxing is very special to me because it's not too often that I'm taken by surprise. And I say that because these shoes look way better in person than they did online. And let's get right into it. So today we have a pair of Nike Waffle Ones, and we have these in the Summit White colorway. These shoes, okay, elephant in the room. Yes, these shoes are a variation of another shoe and possibly another shoe, depending on how well you stare at these. And one of the shoes I'm talking about in particular, yes, the back of this heel will make you think of the Sacai's. But the main features of this shoe will make you think about another shoe. And to me, that's the Air Force Ones. And the particular pair I'm talking about is the Invisible Women from the Fantastic Four pack. If you guys remember, or if you got the internet, take a look. They were the pair of Air Force Ones that was fully transparent and not like this see-through mesh. I wanted those shoes so bad. I think it was back in 2005 or 2006. I know I didn't have a car then, so I was not able to get a pair. And luckily my parents didn't love me enough to get a fake pair, because when those things hit, boy, in high school, everybody had some variation of a clear pair of Air Force Ones. And if you wasn't a girl, you got soaked for wearing fakes, boy. Boy, my high school was harsh. So, I'm so glad they didn't love me that much. But, back to this shoe. This right here has a see-through mesh, as I was telling you about earlier. You can, if you wear a different pair of socks, you can see that for sure from this part of the shoe and from this part of the shoe. As you can tell at the beginning of the video, there's a couple other things that you didn't quite see, you may not have noticed.
So, picking up where we left off, you're going to see this reflective material right here that's mixed in with the suede of the shoe. Above that, you're going to see the semi-transparent, or the they say transparent. I say it's a semi-transparent. The transparent mesh that's throughout the whole upper of the shoe, followed by the white leather check. And then right in the back where the suede is, if you peel this back, you're going to see, let me focus in real quick. You're going to see established in 1972. You're going to see the Nike check. And if you turn to the side, you're going to see it again. You're going to see the Nike check as well as the waffle, and let you know that it's made in the headquarters of Oregon. Now, one thing I don't understand or no knowledge of is why this is here. Like, I don't know the point of this. It's on this side of the shoe also. It's not reflective, and it's not like it's added padding because you don't feel it when you put your foot in. So if you guys in the comments know what this is about, put that in there for me so I could kind of, everybody can know what the point of this is. But next thing you know, you have this little rubber right here. Like I said, this is not React. It's not Boost. But for $100, not complaining at all. Followed by that is the waffle sole. And just nothing special. Just a waffle. And you have the orange stripe right here. Basically just tells you established in 1972. And the waffle sole. Now, for those that don't know about the waffle, so just a brief little history lesson of it. 1972, the co-founder Bill, I think his name was Bill Bowerman or Bowerman. Sorry if I mispronounce it. But his wife was making waffles, and then he decided to just put some rubber in the waffle maker. And that's it. That's how we got this sole. He just peeled it back. And so it's crazy, man, how things can evolve over time. But more or less, back to this shoe. For $100, this is definitely a great buy. If you can get your hands on a pair, definitely get your hands on a pair. The only thing I would say that I would do differently is I'll probably add like a double check. That seems to be the trend. And actually, that double check look has grown on me. So I think what I would do later on in the future is I would probably take this check off on the inside, and then I would stitch it right here, just so it stands out a little bit. Because like I said, these are only $100, so I actually got these off of restock. So these things are selling out. So don't be surprised if you see other people with these. But don't let that discourage you. This is a great buy. I think I'm going to try to get a second pair so I can put on ice and probably wear another year or two from now. Other than that, man, JustZay here signing out. I got a pair. Choice is yours. What are you going to do?